water is a natural carrier of orgone energy. Charging water with orgone energy using your own orgone generator, such as the low-priced devices, the AO2000 Aqua Optimizer or the AO1100, which is set up to a floating frequency. The AO2000 has a Schumann resonance frequency, or the very budget price CE69 or the CE99, which is portable. Is a lot more cost efficient than purchasing ready-made orgone water and the like. Of course, you can also get a G card to charge water, and the G card you can print out yourself. Simply ask for it for the test transfer card. You can print it out and test how it works. You find more about this on the website www.rrr.bz. And like organic matter and quartz, water is a natural carrier of life energy. And on the other hand, tap water, distilled water, and water that has been filtered from tap water in any way generally lacks the orgone energy that water contains naturally. Optimize water and charge it with G energy or orgone. Like many precious and semi-precious stones, water is one of the natural carriers of life energy. Life energy is also called G, prana, orgone, personal magnetism, ode, and so on. You can charge water with life energy using your own water optimizing device. In addition to this water optimizing device such as the AO2000, here it is, removes any negative information which is embedded in water at the same time as it charges it with life energy. This is a lot more cost efficient than purchasing ready-made orgone water and the like, and it is also a much better solution. This is so because besides removing the negative information, the water optimizing device also charges water with life energy, and naturally this method is way ahead of the various radionics-based devices and other contraptions. Naturally, since negative information is embedded in tap water, this means also that positive information can be embedded. More about this later. Tap water, distilled water, and water filtered from tap water generally lacks the life energy that water contains naturally. Plus, it has negative information still there. Therefore, having become aware of the obvious problems connected with industrially processed water, many scientists have developed methods of vitalizing or revitalizing water. For instance, some researchers use radionics and related methods to generate a transfer of natural water information. In principle, such methods establish structural links to the desired characteristics of water. Since water is a natural carrier of life energy, it is also an ideal medium to be a carrier of specific characteristics or trends. In his path-breaking research, Beneviste, a French Nobel laureate, demonstrated by means of scientific methods that information can be attached to water. And this is a characteristic of water that had led to many applications as widely apart as homeopathy and religious traditions for centuries before Beneviste. And in this context, think of the holy water, which is used as a staple item in many religious creeds. One of the easiest methods of revitalizing water is to charge it with life energy. Natural water, of course, carries with it a good measure of life energy. which as a result of processing and exposure to a myriad of environmental factors gets lost almost completely before it comes through the tap or before it's sold as bottled and energetically dead drinking water. You can get evidence of this process by charging water, distilled water or filtered water, bottled water, even tap water with life energy. Taste this water and then compare it to the untreated controls. Of course, if you do not own and operate yet a water optimizing device, you can set up a test by asking for a transfer test G-card at www.rrr.bz. In fact, according to personal experience of tens of thousands of users, water that has been treated with life energy, even without attaching specific effects to it, shows many characteristics that they recognize as definite and decisive advantages over untreated water. Living water stays much longer fresh as a result of significant microbiological changes towards a healthy environment. It has a taste that's excellent, even addictive. It has a softer feel when you reach into it. It provides you with a feeling of well-being after you drink it. It has a much better taste, and it provides a better taste to foods and drinks to which it is added, and a longer life. It enhances the growth of plants, and this is plainly visible as you can grow using this water stronger plants, more blossoms, and larger and better tasting fruit, and more beautiful flowers. Optimized water can save laundry powder, and actually you can also charge clothing to some extent. Being saturated with life force, optimized water keeps helping the environment even after use. It is attractive to animals, and especially cats feel attracted to water that has been revitalized by means of saturation with life force. You can make living water, water that is saturated with life energy, and with ease. Simply put a bottle of water of your choice, it can be store-bought or filtered, on top of the AO2000 or any other water optimizing device, and allow it to saturate with life force, which in the case of a bottle takes at the most 1 minute. As I mentioned before, this method of optimizing and revitalizing your water is certainly a lot more cost efficient than purchasing orgone water and the like. Plus, it gives you significantly more choices. You can literally add, call it magic, to your enhanced water. And you can do this with the appropriate filters or with the help of any one of the manifestation programs. For instance, you can make drinks that you can use to help you increase your sports performance, learning skills, gearing yourself to get great ideas, to develop success strategies which you can then apply to help you make your dreams come true.